2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, front-wheel drive, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, MP3 player, child safety locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.